iPhone 14. Here is my wish list for the iPhone 14. What's up guys, welcome back to Michael's Tech Talk. So I have a bit of a wish list for the iPhone 14 and I would like to share it with you guys. So here's some of the things that I want to see on the iPhone 14. So first off, on the Pro, I want to see some new colours, right? Don't get me wrong, I love the graphite, and on the 12 Pro Max, I love Pacific Blue. This year's colours on the 13, graphite was okay, but Sierra Blue, wasn't a fan of it. The white was a bit, yeah, okay. Sierra Blue, not a fan. Gold, looked very premium, but again, not my sort of cup of tea. And then with them releasing the Alpine Green this year, again, fantastic colour, just not my cup of tea. I want to see a change. I want to see something new. I want to see something radical. I want to see like a metallic orange, like a coppery colour maybe. I would love Pacific Blue to come back, or something very close to Pacific Blue. And I wish Apple would pull the trigger and just go matte black on the iPhone. Do it. If you go matte black on the iPhone Pro, just take my money. Just take it. Second, because I use an iPhone Pro, I also have an iPad Pro. And one thing I will say that I would love to see on the iPhone is Apple Pencil support. Now, I don't mean I'm not asking for a pencil to be built into the phone or anything like that there, but I will say, with me reviewing the S22 Ultra recently with the S Pen, when I'm sort of sitting and I'm just sort of browsing, or if I'm taking notes or that sort of thing, I would love to be able to use the Apple Pencil. If I'm being truthfully honest, with the way AirPods connect to all of your devices on your iCloud, so if I pair my AirPods to my phone, they'll show up on my iPad, my MacBook, my etc, etc. I don't see why the Apple Pencil can't work the same way. So if I have the Apple Pencil on my iPad Pro, I would love to be able to just lift it off my iPad, take a note on my phone and put it back. Make it happen. Give me that feature. I want that feature. Third, I would like to see, I am a Pro Max fan. I love the iPhone Pro Max. I've had the Pro Max since the XS Max. What I want to see, I love the form factor of this phone. However, I want this phone to be a little bit narrower. That is it. The length is fine. It's just too wide. I want it a wee bit slimmer, and with it being a little bit slimmer, it's easier to hold and it's easier to grip. Now, as I'm sure a lot of Pro Max people will attest to, I have the dreaded dent in my finger from trying to hold the phone in one hand while trying to use it and things like that there. It's a stainless steel phone, it's quite heavy, so it's left a sizable dent on the inside of my finger. I just want it to be a little bit narrower. And if they change the materials from stainless steel to, say, titanium, which has been long rumoured, it would make it a bit lighter as well. So if you're going to make it a bit lighter, make it a bit narrower. Make it happen. We know this thing is already the battery king, so making it a little bit narrower, I can't see it being an issue, to be honest. So make that happen. And lastly, what I want to see on the iPhone this year, however, I don't think it'll come, and that makes me sad. But I want rid of the Lightning port. I want USB-C on the iPhone, and it's not because I just want it to be USB-C for the sake of it. It's simply because Lightning, in my honest opinion, is not fit for purpose. Lightning has USB 2.0 speeds, less than 480 megabits per second transfer rate. It is too slow. Putting ProRes into the iPhone 13 Pro was such a feat. It was such a good thing. And then you get that dilemma of, how do I get the footage off my phone? Sorry, I'll rephrase. How do I get the footage off my phone that isn't going to take forever to transfer off? Simply put, when I tested the MacBook Pro 14-inch last year, I shot 13 minutes of ProRes footage on this phone. It was about 65 gig worth for one file, and I had two choices. I could transfer it off via Lightning, or I could airdrop it. Both ways were so slow. AirDrop was a little bit faster to transfer off than Lightning, because I did a transfer test between the two. There wasn't much in it, if I'm being truthfully honest. AirDrop was just slightly faster, but again, when you're dealing with these sorts of files on the Pro iPhone, why have we not got Thunderbolt? do you know what? Not even Thunderbolt. I would settle for USB 3.0. Why have we not got it on the iPhone on a port? Sadly, I don't think it's going to happen, and I think Apple are that stubborn that they'll remove the port and go portless before they'll ever consider putting USB-C on the iPhone. And again, I just don't understand the logic. Lightning is something that has boiled me for a long time, and it should just be retired now. It's not fit for purpose. Better yet, keep it on the non-Pro iPhones, but on the Pro iPhones they should have USB-C, and they should have a minimum of USB 3.0. Thunderbolt would be amazing, but again, I don't think it's going to happen. And for people like myself that use a MacBook, that use an iPad Pro, that has these Thunderbolt ports, and I've got Thunderbolt accessories, the fact that I look at my phone and I'm like, I don't understand. Like any Android phone, you can plug anything USB-C into it. You can plug a storage device into it. You can plug an accessory. You can plug anything into it. I don't get it. I just thought I'd do this little video. Let me know in the comments down below. What do you think? What do you think of my points? And I would love to know your ideas. What would you love to see come to the iPhone and the iPhone Pros this year? Let me know in the comments down below, because I would love to hear what you guys think. Maybe you have some cool things in your head that I haven't thought about. So definitely let me know down below what you want to see come to the iPhone this year. That about wraps it up for this video, guys. I hope you liked it. If you did, hit that like button for me. It massively helps me out on the channel. It helps the videos get out into the ether. Don't forget, drop a comment down below as well. It massively helps me out, and I reply to every comment posted, so by all means do that. And if you haven't already, hit that subscribe button. We're on the road to 1,000 subs. The quicker we get there, the quicker I'm going to give away some free tech. I'm going to do another tech giveaway when we hit 1,000 subs. So get sharing, tell your friends, let's do it. If you want to be notified of new videos just like this one, ring that little bell. Until the next one, guys, I will catch you later.